What's going on, y'all? JT with an unboxing, or I'm going to try to make this quick. I'm not going to run it in this video, but I do at least want to show this to you guys. I know everyone kind of has a hard time trying to pronounce this name. It's actually RLAARLO. So I'm not going to try to butcher it. I got one of their monster trucks too, or trucks a long time ago, probably about a month ago or so, and I ran that. But this is going to be a 14 scale four-wheel drive brush buggy, and it does have a 540 motor and stuff. I know you guys have mentioned this before to me to kind of try to pick this up and take a look at this, but I'm gonna take this out and I'm gonna run in a couple areas because it has been getting some good feedback and reviews on it. And there's also gonna be a link, of course, in the description to purchase it, but there's also a link if you guys are looking for parts for it too. So they do sell parts and stuff for this that are available. I didn't get to look at the part list completely, so I don't know if there's going to be upgraded parts in there, but you can buy parts for this. A lot of times when you get these cars, it's hard to find parts for them, but they do have a link that I put down below. They sent over to me where you guys can actually get parts and stuff too. So let me go ahead. Let's get this open. Let's see what we got inside. All right, opening this up. Not too much of a new car smell with this, but I'll pull these out real quick. I'm gonna try to make this pretty quick because I know you guys want to see it run, and I want to see it run too. So look at that, that's cute. And got your radio in here, probably some extra stuff that's in there. And there's anything else? Let's see real quick. Yeah, you get an instruction manual too. So let me see what's in this box besides the radio, and then we'll go from there. All right, so getting this out, you guys see you do get a couple of things here. You do get an instruction manual, so I always advise just take a couple of minutes, go through your instruction manual, and just take a look at it, see what's inside there. And then you do get an extra battery too. I'm pretty sure there's one inside the car and a couple extra components. So that's good that you get an extra battery with this, and you also get a little USB charger where you can charge the batteries and stuff up. So I'm glad that they do give you an extra battery too. You can charge both of those up and get those out. And then you get a 2.4 gigahertz radio, has all your little bells and whistles on here for adjustments for it. And this does use 3 AA's inside. I'll show this to you guys real quick. So it does use 3 and not 4, which is good. I mean, 3 is kind of an odd number. It'd be cool if it just used 2, but I'll be fine with that. And it does fit pretty decent in the hand and stuff. I do kind of like the way they try to make it like a pro look radio here. And then on to the main meat of this is going to be the vehicle. So this actually looks like it's been upgraded, because I think some of the ones I've seen before, these may be oil filled. That's a little off where this one's gonna be. I gotta adjust it just a little bit, but these may be, I don't know. It's kind of hard to tell. I can't really tell. I mean, they're not bouncing back. If they were not oil filled, they'd be bouncing back real quick. So these may actually be more oil filled. I gotta look into that just a little bit. If you guys know in the comments, put that down below, because I know you guys are already typing, it's not oil filled. So anyway, I gotta look and see, because these look a little different than what I've seen in some previous videos that people have for these. But this little buggy, it looks pretty cool. I mean, it does to me kind of look like a Typhon in a way, just because of the way it looks and kind of the way this wing is constructed. This wing is actually huge on here. But it does look pretty decent for what it is. Go ahead and take this body off, and let's see what we got underneath here. So there we go. That's plugged up. So we do have a 540 motor that's in here, and then we have one of those 2-in-1 speed controllers and receivers that's all together. So if you ever want to kind of make some adjustments and stuff to this, you will have to switch out the radio and the servo and stuff like that, because you guys see it has those like 5 prongs when they're still the standard. But I've done that to some of these cars before when I wanted to upgrade the servo. I think the servo might have went out, and I just changed it out. So I did have to change that, and I did put a standard 2S speed controller in there. I think I put like one of the ones that comes in the armor brush cars in here to one of my other vehicles. So if you want to change that, you can do that. So I had those on hand. So if you do it's probably going to cost you about 30, 40, 50 bucks for the speed controller, and another 30, 40 for the radio. Depends on where you get it from, and then the servo and stuff. So it could be $100 or more dollar upgrade if you do that. But I happen to have one kind of on hand. I'm kind of curious. So, oh, turn that on. Didn't want to turn that on. So anyway, you do get another LiPo that's actually installed in here. So I'm going to get this charged up and run this really soon. So you guys stay tuned for that. But overall, it looks pretty cool. I mean, it looks like it's going to be pretty tough for what it's worth. I don't think something like this needs to be brushless, in my opinion, especially with this huge 540 motor in there. But it looks to be pretty good. It's got metal dog bones, as you guys see there, front and rear with it. And it does have an aluminum chassis too. So that's pretty good. They did that. And the shock towers are aluminum as well. So I don't think that I'll have any breakages on this car. If anything, I may break an A-arm or something like that. But we'll see. We'll see when we take this out. We'll take this to do some speed runs with it if you guys want to see that. And then we'll also take it over to the skate park and run it there. But it looks to be set up pretty cool and pretty decent with it. I'm not going to get, like I said, too in depth with this because I do want to go ahead and get this out running. But this is 4-wheel drive. Brushed buggy, but I think it'll be fine because this is a 550 size motor. So anyway, guys, put your comments down below. I'm going to remove this protective film on here. I'm going to get this battery charged up and we're going to get this out running ASAP. Probably later today because I do want to see how this performs just in general, and then I'll probably try to take it to the skate park too later today if I can do that. But anyway, guys, put your comments down below. If you'd like, subscribe, stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching.